Okay, so I just showered, don't mind that. Anyways, hey guys, Lya here and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. And in today's video, I want to give you guys 5 reasons which you should be happy, because sometimes we're having like bad days and you guys are saying like, oh, I had a bad day, this happened and this happened and this happened, and then someone asks you, okay, then what things happened, and you're just like, well. So I'm gonna give you guys 5 reasons in which you should be happy every single day, no matter what. Number 1, it's fall. Okay guys, it's fall. It's the cozy season, you know, the cups of coffee, pumpkin, Halloween, fuzzy socks season. Guys, I love fall so much. It's crazy, honestly. Like, who doesn't love fall? I feel like that's my favorite season ever, even though we don't get much like the fall-esque vibe here where I'm from, but I still love it so much. Like YouTube, Instagram, like it all changes just for the fall season, and it's all so freaking beautiful, guys. It's fall. I'm happy just talking about fall. Come on. Number 2, there are 3 months left of the year to accomplish your goals, guys. That's more than enough time to accomplish your 2019 goals. That honestly motivates me so much to get work done, to plan and organize myself and just do everything that I wanted to do throughout the whole year. Honestly, you have 3 months left. Come on, get going. We got this. You got this. Let's work on our goals, guys. Number 3, your hobbies exist. Make time for them. You'll be happy. Even if it's just 10 minutes a day, make time for your goals every single day. You'll be looking forward to that 10-minute time slot during your day, guys. You'll be happier because you're doing something you love, you're doing something you enjoy. Even if you had the worst day ever, you have these 10 minutes of glory doing what you want, but you really like. Number 4, my sister told me this one, and it's kind of weird, but when she told me that, I was like, oh my gosh, you are so right. The smell and the calm when it rains, guys. When it's raining, like the smell that comes to you, I love that smell. I don't know why, but I just smell it and I'm just like, oh, thank God it's raining. Like, I love rain. It's just so cozy, and I just turn on a lamp, put on sweats, read a book in my room, comfortable, chilling, calm. Like, I love it when it rains, and the smell and the calmness of it. I'm really happy making this video, I'm not gonna lie. And number 5, you got here after everything that you've been through, guys. We are warriors, guys. We got here after every single problem that we've had, every single situation, every single obstacle that life has thrown at us. We are still here, and that is something so amazing. Like, you haven't given up yet, guys, and you are not gonna give up, because I believe in you and you need to believe in yourself. You are here after everything, and that says a lot. So yes, this is a really short video, but I just wanted to share it with you guys, because honestly, there is so much to be happy about in life, and so much that we don't realize, that I feel like I want to help you guys realize that there's so much to look forward in this life, even if you don't see it like from afar. Honestly, there's so much to be happy about, and I only give you 5 here because I wanted to make this video really short, because that way you are focusing on those 5 things. Like, it's fall. Come on, you got 3 months left for your goals. Your hobbies exist, make time for them. The rain, I love rain. And after all you've been through, you're still here, and that's something amazing. So yeah, don't give up, be happy, even if sometimes it seems like the most impossible thing to be. It's not impossible to be happy, guys, so yeah.